cute today. Oh my god. I'm going to a red party right now, and my regular light is set up for a TikTok, so we're gonna have to deal with this kind of orangey light for this video. We chose the TikTok over the haul. If you'd like to follow me on TikTok, it's right here to see what we sacrificed the light for. I'm not wearing this to the red party. I'm wearing something in this. I hope they said, imagine it was out of stock. That's happened to me once at Fashion Nova. Did I get a return actually? A refund? Oh my god, it was like a year ago. I have to look into that. Anyway, I'm going to a red party tonight. And it was last minute. I was told like literally last night there's like a surprise party, wear red. I'm like, I don't own a lot of red. Do you guys remember I had that phase where I was like, I hate red. Like, okay, sis, pipe down. And then all of a sudden I started like slowly like getting into like red lips, like red shirts. People are like, you don't like red. I'm like, we can change, girl. The red haters of the universe can change to liking red. But I don't own a lot of red. I was already gonna do a Fashion Nova haul. I was sitting in my room and I was like, let me just look at my order. Like, look at this makeup. Did I do a good job? I just pretty much put on lashes and then put glitter there. Like, I really didn't do much. I think it's cute though. Yes. And I was like, wait, I think I ordered a red set. Let me look. So I'm doing this last minute. I'm literally leaving in an hour. So I hope that it's in here, because sometimes they're like, oh, sorry, this item was sold out, and they'll send that in the shipping. Well, at least that's what they've done for me. What if it like doesn't fit, or what if it's UGG? Girl, then I'll just wear this, but it's not really, anyways. I'll show you what I got at Fashion Nova. I also got my Halloween costume. People hate the way I say costume. While you're here, join the madness and subscribe down below. It is free to subscribe, so come join the pink. Why am I so red? Oh my god, I'm like, I understood the assignment for this red party. I'm like hot. Okay, girl. Oh my god, it's a bag in a bag. My life. That's like literally me. Why would they do that? You guys have also been requesting. I did like, I think it was last year before, I did drunk Halloween get readies with me. I think I'm gonna do that again this year. But my main costume, I'm not gonna show you until Halloween because I want it to be a surprise. So that's the only thing I'm not gonna show you in this order. I see red. We're gonna go for it. This is it. This is it. Okay. Let's show this first. I'm gonna try everything on for you guys. Oh my god, this is like vibrant red, thank goodness. Hopefully it's cute, because it's like a birthday party event, so I didn't want to be like a hoe. Like, I'm usually dressed like a hoe, which is fine, girl do you, but like I wanted it to be a little bit more classy, but yet not like fancy. So this is kind of like the perfect outfit for the event I'm going to, because it's not like a fancy classy thing, but I still want to like, and I don't have red. So this is called the honeycomb legging set in red. We are so happy right now. And I got it in a size small. What is this tag? What the heck? I never see tags on Fashion Nova. Matching set. Fashion Nova, matching set. 2 of 2. Me. Okay, this is what the honeycomb set looks like. So it's gonna make your booty look so good. Look, my butt's gonna be covered at this event. I'm so excited. And it has a nice stretchy band. I'm very excited. So this outfit, I'm going to try it on for you right now. And the rest I'm gonna try it on when I have no makeup on, because I don't want to ruin stuff. But I thought it was long sleeve. Oh well, I guess it's short sleeve, girl. So it has a 2-way zipper, right? Yeah, so I can like show my belly a bit, or I can show the boobies a little bit more. So I'm so excited I have this. I hope it looks good on. You guys are seeing it. Hopefully it looks good. Hopefully you probably already saw it if you follow me on Snapchat, because I snap pretty much when I go out and I do fun things. So go ahead and follow me on Snapchat if you want to be up to date on that. But let's show you guys everything else other than what Halloween costume I got. Oh my god, I thought it said extra small. I was like, girl. Okay, so this is fine. Let's get into it. Okay, I got a necklace. Oh, and also when you're shopping, oh, this is not sponsored by the way, this Fashion Nova video. I bought everything with my own money. And I Google all the time Fashion Nova coupons. You should do the same thing. I got like 30% off of my order. They sometimes have sales, but sometimes you can find on the web. I just type in Fashion Nova coupon and then I put them all in and see which one works, and eventually one will work. Even if you get like $5 off your total, it's like something off your total. So I'm worried this red is like making my eyes look like I'm high or something. Oh well, can't do anything about it now. This is such a cute necklace. So sorry if I'm like in a rush. I was just like I just wanted like this to like get here, and I was like freaking out about it, but we're good. This little simple necklace, I've been wearing a lot of like little gold necklaces lately, and I think this one was only like $5. Or I think it was cheaper than that, like with the discount and stuff. So this is gonna pair so nicely with the other necklaces that I got, so I'm very, very pumped about that. What the heck is this? Flirt Envy embellished mini dress. Literally me, size medium. What is this? I don't even remember what I bought. Oh, also I bought all this like I wasn't drunk, but I was tipsy. So, so that's why I didn't remember if the items that I got were red and everything like that. This is heavy. This is heavy. What is this? Who did I think I was? Oh my God, what is that? What am I gonna wear this? What the heck? Okay, girl, what is this? Like, I don't think I can trust. Well, I'll show you what I can on YouTube here. Who do I think I am? Like, where am I gonna wear this to? I don't even, like, do I live in Vegas? Like, look at this. Look at my Britney Spears. Be honest. Okay, this is actually the cutest thing. Drunk me was like, hell yeah. Drunk me talking. Okay, so this is like gorgeous. How much was this? Like, and it's long sleeved. Look at how pretty. And then we got like, okay, this is probably why I got a medium, because this will fit my boobies. And it's like open. This is a moment. So I understand now the underwear. This actually will look so cute under there. Underwear! Under there! This is gonna look so adorable. I might actually be able to show you guys this on. This is like, what? This is like a birth. Ooh, I should wear this on New Year's Eve. I know it's a while away, but girl, that's probably, this is what I'm gonna wear on New Year's Eve. That is like, that's it. That is what I'm gonna wear. It's all rhinestone. That's the cutest outfit I think I've ever bought. Like, hands down. I should wear that for one of my intros on that's probably what it was. That's probably why I bought it. I was like, it's gonna be an intro video. My intros on both my channels need updating. Let's see what else I got. Oh, well, let's read it. Because you guys always ask me like, what is that? Some of them are sold out though by the time I haul these, because I haul them like 2 months after I get them. But this I needed to haul now. So you might still be able to find these. Again, I'm not sponsored. And I'm sorry if this is going in and out of focusing. Like, my camera sucks. So, but I'm just gonna go a little bit closer then, because then I'll stay in focus. It's called, oh! Okay, this is, okay, there, I got 2, right? Yes, okay. So, it's fall now, and I have to start dressing like fall and not like this. And there's a legging set from Fashion Nova that I have in 2 or 3 different colors, and I get questions about it all the time. I have the shorts ones and the leggings ones. I feel like I'm adding S's where there shouldn't be. You guys always ask me, where is that? I get questions all the time. So I wanted a new set to wear in fall, and I thought this olive green color would be really cute. It's called the Wanderlust legging. I didn't know what legging set it was called, so I went and watched my own haul to figure out what it was. So, it's so cute. It makes your boobs and your ass look huge. So if you're into that kind of thing, then I would suggest it. It's really like stretchy, just like the material of it. It's very like spandexy and hugs the right curves. Looks good on all body shapes, all body types, in my opinion. Well, anything does, but this, like, I think flatters it. Well, everything flatters it, girl. Like, you could wear, all you guys out there could wear a paper bag and draw like a heart on it, and you guys would look flawless. Trust me. Trust and believe, okay? I hear people are like, you don't have the body for that. It's like, bitch, I have a body and it walks. So I have a body for anything. And so do you at home there, even the haters. Your body's beautiful, and that's not shade or like exaggerating or sarcasm. Like, it's beautiful. So it's very stretchy and cute, and she's just like that. It shows a lot of cleavage. Well, it does for me at least. And then I got the legging. So you could just get the legging and then, you know, wear whatever you want as the top, vice versa. They don't look like they would be flattering. They look like boxy, okay? Like, compared to like this legging, how it's like, there's like this band up here and it's like ruched and it's really like slinky. This looks boxy, but it's not, girl. She hugs the right curves, and we're so excited to wear this color. I hope it makes my hair pop. You can't even pay to hook. Oh, we got one more item. Maybe I should give you guys a hint on my Halloween costume after this to make it like at the end of the video. Those who stayed till the end. Do you guys remember like 2011 YouTube where people would be like, if you made it this far in the video, type in Sandy loves hearts or something like that, and then you'd see in all the comments and people would be very confused. They'd be like, why is everybody commenting Sandy loves hearts? And then other people would be like, you obviously aren't a fan. I'm also probably gonna look terrible in it. Me talking about everybody looks good. Everybody looks good except probably me in that Halloween costume on Halloween. This one is called the Ocean Waves Mesh Mini Dress, and I cannot wait. Like, why? I own tissues, I don't need more. Oh, it's another whole one. Okay, what even is this? Like, help. SOS, please. Where is, what the hell? Well, I'm gonna have to figure it out when I try it on. Like, this is see-through, so I don't know what I thought, girl. But this is completely see-through. Like, completely see-through. So, and then these are just supposed to hang down. Like, that was on the site. I guess you could tie them if you wanted to, but I really like the look of how they were hanging down. I'm gonna see how they styled it. Maybe they just put on, like, a white bikini on underneath. Like, can you guys help me out? What do I do? I feel like maybe like a tight, like, little white dress, maybe? Or maybe just like a bralette. I don't know. But hopefully I can try it on and show you guys. Just to clarify, this was a hellhole trying to get on all these straps and everything. And it was completely see-through. You could see it. You could see everything. So I put just like a white tube top underneath it, and then some white bikini bottoms on underneath so that you're not gonna see everything. Okay, bye. 5-piece outfit. There's a wig in here? It includes a wig. I'm shook. It's probably not a high quality wig. This is the clue I'm giving you guys. Anyways, it was kind of a short and sweet little haul, but I hope you guys enjoyed it nevertheless. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I know you guys love hauls and try on hauls. It was a little hoochie mama moment, but but at least we got a practical set, you know, and then we got something to do an intro with and my New Year's Eve outfit, so we're set, and I love you guys. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys!